Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to open a browser in incognito mode in robot framework. Basically, most of the time the companies maybe they will ask you without storing the history of the browser we have to open for security mode for the browser. Very rare case, but not for all the time. In case if they are ask you to open incognito by using robotic framework, this is for them to using for the simple. There are a couple of three steps. Okay, how we can able to use it. And I'm copying these things. I'm pasting here. See the here is like dollar options equal and some space evaluator sys dot modules and selenium WebDriver dot c is the capital Chrome, o is the capital options space sys comma selenium WebDriver. This is basically it will be read for system module level property for selenium WebDriver related things. Then after that this particular method will call you that some method, that is a argument, which argument it will take, like we can able to say like desired capability while using your Java or C sharp. You are using desired capability to provide that what version you have to specify those things, right? That particular format of we are using for this method, call method options argument, and that is called as incognito mode. And that after that we need to create the WebDriver and space of Chrome and Chrome options, which are the options we are provided. These are the options. Then we need to use for go to and provide the URL. Then it will open for your browser as a incognito mode. Then how it will open, we'll see here. Now it is test case is running and opening the browser. See now browser itself it is open incognito mode. The data is loading still, and if you can able to see incognito mode is open for Google and it is closed. This is a simple format we can able to do for incognito mode opening for the your browser. Okay, I hope you understand this video. And even moreover, some interview questions also they'll ask you in that robotic framework, this particular one, incognito mode opening. Okay, please do watch and even you can able to add some comments on my video if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to make it some comment. Based upon your comment only, I can able to give the more content of good videos too. It will help to others also. Okay, thank you.